Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to turn mail notifications sound on or off in Microsoft Outlook. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Outlook application and log into your account. This will load all your emails and give you access to the settings we'll be adjusting. Once your inbox appears and everything is loaded, you're ready to move forward. Now, navigate to the top part of your screen where all your tools and menus are located. Look for the File tab and click on it. This is where most of Outlook's core settings and configurations are housed, so it's an important menu to familiarize yourself with if you want to customize your email experience. Once the File menu opens, direct your attention to the bottom part of this menu. You'll see an option called Options. Click on it and the Outlook options window will appear. This is the central hub for all your Outlook preferences, from email handling to calendar settings and more. Inside the Outlook options window, you'll notice several tabs listed on the left side of the screen. From this list, click on the Mail tab. This section specifically controls how Outlook handles incoming and outgoing emails, including notifications and sounds. After selecting the Mail tab, scroll down through the various settings until you locate the Message Arrival section. This is where Outlook allows you to customize what happens when a new email arrives in your inbox. Within the Message Arrival section, you'll see a checkbox labeled Play a Sound. If this box is currently checked, it means Outlook is set to play a notification sound whenever you receive a new email. To turn the notification sound off, simply remove the check from this checkbox by clicking on it. If you want to turn the sound back on, just click the checkbox again to re-enable it. This gives you complete control over whether you want audible alerts for incoming messages or prefer a quieter, more distraction-free inbox. Once you've made your choice, click the OK button at the bottom of the Outlook options window to save your changes. Your new notification settings will now be applied, and Outlook will either play a sound or stay silent based on what you selected. And that's it. You've successfully adjusted the mail notification sound settings in Microsoft Outlook. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.